Hello, this is Will from All Will all the time, and I'm going to be looking with dry ice along and try to make some steam. So first, I'm going to try to drip the water in. Could do more. Hey, look at the steam from this bottom. Bring over here, Dad. Look at the steam right here. Hey, you can hold it. Look it. Hello, I'm the bee. Videotape this. Hello, I'm gonna do some magic with this water. I'm gonna turn the fog. Ready? I'll just grab my face. Give it a look. Look, it stayed in your hand and you can do magic. Look it, the steam can fall out.